My name is Martin DeVries. I am the plumber for Grand Rapids Community College. I've been in the industry for a little over 40 years, with GRCC for 28. The main focus of my plumbing career has been service repair. GRCC is a over 100-year-old community college in Michigan. We have, at the current time, 24 different buildings ranging from a technical education, automotive welding, construction trades type building to a 5-story science building with cadaver labs and music building, 14 commercial kitchens for our culinary program. So we've got just a little bit about everything. Grand Rapids water system is very, very good water. So fortunately, the scaling and problems were minimal, but over time, the tubes would get scale and stuff on the outside and inside. We'd lose our efficiency and productivity of the steam to be able to generate enough hot water for building use at high peak times. In order to maintain the domestic water heating capabilities, I was tearing down the units, cleaning them, both the inside of the tubes and the outside of the tubes, and being the fact that each individual building had its separate water heater. Health club would be down on the week. I'd have to come in on the weekend and bring it down, clean it, have it up and ready for Monday morning. Science building, very crucial for classroom experiments and production there. And the culinary department, you got 11 commercial kitchens running, teaching kitchens, and they don't have hot water. It becomes a big issue. And that's where I was having a lot of problems with the scale build up, tearing everything down, taking up my time on the weekends to pull everything down, make sure I had all the parts and pieces to get it all back and up and running by Monday morning. The Nanobubbler, once I put that in, I have not had to rebuild that unit again. And it has been just 6 years now that unit's been going along. We get it cleaned once a year, but it's just keeps running along nice and smooth. It takes a little while to get the whole system cleaned up, but it usually within a month and a half or two, you start to notice. And when you cut into, if I have to make a remodel or an addition somewhere, the inside of the pipe, I can tell the difference. The coating that's on the inside of a copper pipe is still there, but it's not as dense and thick as it once was. But it's not eating, it doesn't turn the water aggressive, so you're not destroying your piping, it's just cleaning up the inside of the pipe so you maintain the true diameter of the interior of the pipe and what the building was designed and specified for. We have installed, I believe, 7 of the Armstrong water heaters, and once I got the first one in after a year and seeing the difference in the quality of the cleanliness of the unit and the tube bundles and the mixing valve, for any future purchases, I just said include the Nanobubbler in the cost and price of the unit. It's part of our spec book now for everything that we either retrofit, remodel, renovations, new construction. It's just part of our requirement that is installed on all water heaters. It's a very, very easy unit to install. It's 3 T's, a couple of valves, and if you can solder a piece of copper, it's a pretty easy installation. The process for choosing Armstrong and staying with them has been the phenomenal factory support that I get, the Armstrong company motto of, they will make it happen for the customer no matter what it takes. That's been something I think Grandpa Armstrong started and just has been carried through the generations of a family business, and it shows.